Hello everyone, Fred here. Thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel. I'm out in the rig today. Nice day. Actually, it's quite sunny out, surprisingly, and about 34, 35 degrees here in Northeast Ohio. So thought, what a great time to come out here in the rig, open it up a little bit, get some fresh air. I needed fuel, so I took it over to fill up with some fuel, because coming back from Florida, I never took it back out again, and I was on, well, I was below a quarter tank, and I couldn't even run the generator at that low fuel level. So got it out, just got back, filled up. I've got this carbon monoxide detector that's causing an issue that you just heard the beep from. So that's being worked on, and you probably hear the generator running. So I've got the generator running, and I've got a load on it. I've got the heater going. So a lot going on. Let me flip the camera around here. Let's do that. All right. So as you can see out here at the front, not bad at all. No snow on the ground. It has been such a mild winter here in Ohio, all of Ohio. We've had 3 snowfalls worth anything, and by that I mean the snow has stayed on the ground more than one day. This last batch that has just dried off lasted about 4 days, and it was nothing more than a quarter inch. I didn't even bring my snowblower around from the barn. I haven't even thought about a snowblower this year. So it's crazy. It's crazy. But out here in the rig, I got my little portable heater running. That puts a load on the generator. So I like to run that. I should be running that once a month for about a half hour. But just haven't had a chance. Work has been crazy. But I got the slides in. I didn't put the slides out because I don't know if there's ice on top of the fabric, because we have awning toppers, and I don't like to put it out with the awning toppers. Plus, just in case there's some ice on the rubber seals. So I did not put the slides out today. I think actually it's supposed to warm up in the 40s again. And if we get a day with 40 and sun, I'm just going to come out and open everything up. But everything is riding through the winter well. Like I said, I had just noticed the other day outside, I kept hearing this beep. And then I came in and determined it had to be this, because it's the only thing plugged in. And sure enough, it was carbon monoxide detector, as you just heard. And the battery's dead in it. So 9-volt battery need to get. But everything is riding really well. No issues to be seen. So all good. I just like to check everything over. Didn't put a cover on this year, and I'm glad I didn't, because we just haven't had any snow to even worry about a cover. So, alright everyone, quick update from the Camping Family channel. Nothing really to post yet. We got camping season coming up here, and probably we're in March, mid-April. Yeah, it's going to be late April till the campgrounds start to open here in our area. But yeah. So thanks for viewing, and we'll see you on the next video.